Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add the Avarice token to your wallet. To get the tokens, you need to participate in the auction. The next thing you need to do is to add the token smart contract to your wallet. Otherwise, the tokens will not be shown in your wallet. First, go to your wallet. I am using MetaMask. Click on Activity. Click on this recent transaction. Click on View on Block Explorer. It should bring you to the BSC scan website. If you check the one next to the From, this is actually my wallet address. This is the contract address. Let's click on it. Here we can see the balance in the contract is 1,725 BNB, which is worth around $512,000. This is what we are looking for. Click on Avarice. Here is the contract address we need. Click on Copy. Then go to your wallet. Select Asset. Scroll down to the bottom. Click on Import Tokens. Then paste the address here. Immediately, the token symbol AVC will be shown here. Just click on Add Custom Token. Click on the Import Token. That is it. Currently it shows 0 AVC tokens in my wallet because the auction I participated in is still ongoing. The AVC tokens will be sent to my wallet at the end of the auction day. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons.